Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English. Today we are going to see past continuous tense. Past continuous tense can also be called as past progressive tense. Now let's see the form. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. That is, there should be a subject and the verb should contain the be form was or were. Then the root verb will have ing. So what are the verbs to be used? For I, was, you, were, we, were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Usage. Where we can use past continuous tense. First one, action in progress in a specific time in the past. Interrupted continuous past action. To start a story or create an atmosphere. Repeated action and parallel actions. You can see some examples. Action in progress in a specific time. குறிப்பிட்ட அந்த டைமில் என்ன ஆக்ஷன் நடந்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறது, ப்ராக்ரஸில் இருக்குது. Yesterday at noon I was eating lunch. So the particular or the specific time is yesterday noon. So what was I doing? I was eating. We were decorating the house for the birthday party in the morning. So in the specific time, that is in the morning, நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம்? We were decorating the house. Interrupted continuous past action. So past action நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது அது தடைப்படும் போது we use past continuous tense. I was watching a movie when she called. ஸோ நான் மூவி வாட்ச் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது she called. ஸோ the movie watching அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஆக்ஷன் இன்டரப்ட் ஆகுது. She was cooking when the guests arrived. So the cooking was interrupted by the guests. To start a story or create an atmosphere. So we can say, while I was driving to work yesterday, I saw a snake on the road. So ஏதாவது ஒரு ஸ்டோரியை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போதோ அல்லது ஏதாவது ஒரு அட்மாஸ்ஃபியர் ஒரு சூழ்நிலையை க்ரியேட் பண்ணும்போதோ we use past continuous tense. Then repeated action. When an action is repeated, we use past continuous tense. My last roommate was always leaving dirty dishes in the sink. She was constantly, so here always, constantly. So here we can see repetition. Always and constantly. We can see repetition. She was constantly complaining about something or other. Then parallel actions. So actions happening at the same time. I was reading while my brother was playing in the garden. While my father was watching a movie, mother was sleeping. So in the first sentence we have two parallel actions, that is reading, at the same time playing. The subject I was reading, the subject my brother was playing. In the second sentence, the subject my father, he was doing the action watching. The mother was sleeping. So here we can see the parallel actions. In such situations, we must use past continuous tense. So the keywords. So these keywords will help us to identify the past continuous tense in a given sentence. First one is last week. So you can use this as last week, last month, last year, last Monday, last August, etc. Then second one is all last night, all last month, then all yesterday, all last year, then all afternoon, right? All afternoon yesterday. Then from 2 o'clock to 4. since 5 p.m. for a long time yesterday, throughout the night. So, keeping these keywords in mind, now we can try these sentences. Using the verbs in the brackets, fill in the blanks with past continuous tense. The students dash wait for the school van since 7 a.m. The kids dash learn their subjects from the morning. They dash play in the sun all afternoon. The mechanic dash repair the vehicle throughout the day. She dash work hard to clear the NEET examination. I dash read a story for a long time yesterday. My teacher dash teach me maths for 3 hours last week. You dash speak on your mobile while he was here. I dash work on my computer the whole day yesterday. He dash drive the car when the hospital called him. We dash eat our meals for some time. The guests dash wait for you for 1 hour. The team dash practice cricket all evening yesterday. I dash bake a cake when you called me. Snow dash fall throughout the night. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries, kindly post them in the comment box. Learn English.